Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In this video, we are going to review how to ask when and where questions in Hindi. First, let's learn how to say when and where in Hindi. When is kab, and where is kahaa. Let's do that again. When, kab, where, kahaa. Now that we've learned them, let's do some practice problems. What would the word be, kab or kahaa? Where is the magic show? Kab or kahaa? Kahaa. When is Hindi class? Kab or kahaa? Kab. Where is the Taj Mahal? Kab or kahaa? Kahaa. When is the birthday party? Kab or kahaa? Kab. Where does this cave go? Kab or kahaa? Kahaa. When is the magic show? Kab or kahaa? Kab. When are we going diving? Kab or kahaa? Kab. Where is India? Kab or kahaa? Kahaa. When is the field trip? Kab or kahaa? Kab. Where is the treasure? Kab or kahaa? Kahaa. Now that we've learned all the vocabulary, let's test our memories. No words. Let's see if we can do them. Where is the magic show? What would the word be for where? Kahaa. When is Hindi class? Kab. Where is the Taj Mahal? Kahaa. When is the birthday party? Kab. Where does this cave go? Kahaa. When is the magic show? Kab. When are we going diving? Kab. Where is India? Kahaa. When is the field trip? Kab. Where is the treasure? Kahaa. Now, let's practice using these words in sentences to ask when and where questions. How would we put the sentence together? Where is the magic show? Think about what you've learned in class previously about the order of the words in a Hindi sentence. Remember, a Hindi sentence always starts with the subject of the sentence. That is the thing that what the sentence is about. The person or the thing that the sentence is about. So in this case, the sentence is about the magic show. So we start with magic show. So the sentence would be, magic show kahaan hai? Magic show kahaan hai? And if we translate that, it becomes magic show where is? All right, let's do another one. When is Hindi class? Hindi class kab hai? Hindi class kab hai? Again, the subject goes first. Where is the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal kahaan hai? When is the birthday party? Birthday party kab hai? When is the magic show? Magic show kab hai? When is diving class? Diving class kab hai? Where is India? India kahaan hai? When is the field trip? Field trip कब है? Where is the treasure? Treasure कहाँ है? Now that we've practiced all of that, let's review these two words one more time. How do we say when in Hindi? Kab. And how do we say where? Kahaa. Great work. Now you know how to ask when and where questions in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.